Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the single frequency repeater or SFR feature on the Ailunce H1. SFR, single frequency repeater, is a DMR function that allows a radio to receive and retransmit on the same frequency by using different time slots. First, let's see how two radios behave on different time slots. We set both radio to DMR mode and the same frequency, same color code, but we put them on different time slots, one on the slot 1 and the other on slot 2. In this demo, these two radios cannot talk to each other. Because in double slot mode, different time slots do not communicate. Now let's configure the Ailunce H1 to act as a single frequency repeater. On the Ailunce H1, select a DMR digital channel and set the same frequency, same color code. Then enable the SL feature for this channel. Go to Menu, Settings, Channel Info, SFR, and select On. Key points. Now they are using the same frequency and the same color code. Next, we configure the user radios. In this demo, we are using two HD2. This one and this one. Key points. Use the same frequency as the H1 and the same color code as the H1. Same frequency and same color code. Once SFR is enabled, the Ailunce H1 will receive on one time slot and retransmit on the other. So both slot 1 and slot 2 radios can communicate through the H1. Now let's test it. Press PTT on the one radio. The H1 SFR radio will receive the signal, and then it automatically retransmits it on the other time slot. And the second radio can hear the repeated audio. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. To prove that the link is really going through the H1, then we power off the Ailunce H1. Now the two radios cannot talk to each other anymore because they are still on the different time slots and there's no SFR in between. This one is in slot 1 and this one in slot 2. This confirms that the Ailunce H1's single frequency repeater function is working correctly. And that's how to use the single frequency repeater feature on the Ailunce H1. I hope this video helps you better understand how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more radio tips and tutorials. I'm Julia. See you next time.